Got him.
Good morning, welcome to another episode of Minnow Man Fishing. Today we're actually going mullet man fishing, would be more accurate. We're going to go try and hit up the mullet run out the ocean today. You can probably see the boat there. There it is, maybe. And we're going to go chase some mullet, try and cast net some of those, and then go after tarpon, snook, jacks, anything that's going to bite. If for some reason it doesn't pan out, then I have some extra footage from when I was peacock bass fishing down south just before the hurricane hit. So, well, didn't hit in the case, well, it didn't hit us, it hit Bahamas. But yeah, so check it out, enjoy, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.
Yes, Dorian, good for you, dude. Fuck yeah.
What is it? I think it's a jack.
Is it?
Yep. Oh.
You sure? Get a good hook set on it. Dorian's up top.
What on earth could it be? It feels like a jack.
I feel like a jack with a fucking hauled ass. Could get a giant tarpon in there. Freaking air out. Oh my god.
Might not even know it's hooked yet. What is this? It could be a big jack. Something dark on the surface.
Yeah, I didn't bring my net either, so.
What is?
All right, Jack, come to the front.
Woo! Wait. That's a snook! Oh!
Awesome! Bring it to the side. This way, this way, this way.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Nice one, dude.
Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, it's hooked underneath the jaw.
Hold on. Gentle, 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 gentle.
Oh my god! Ah! Holy moly!
Awesome.
Oh my god!
That is
Oh my god! Oh! God, look at the size of this thing! What? That's monstrous! Holy moly!
Hey, watch out, I gotta get my hook.
Oh,
Oh my
the
god.
hook just fell out! It just fell out! Oh my god!
That is luck.
Oh, let me just move this out the way. Got line everywhere.
Jesus.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy moly! Look at the size of this.
Sick. 38.
38 incher.
Take a seat.